In this video, I'm going to talk about the brand new Strike app update. This introduces a major new improvement that'll help us out, and there's 2 full info threads on Twitter, so we'll look through these and get a little more information. So as you guys know, I use Strike for purchasing Bitcoin, so we can go to the Bitcoin tab here, tap buy, tap $1, tap next. It's going to give me my order details and tap confirm. So just purchased $1 of Bitcoin for my daily experiment. You can check that out on my channel if you're interested. Let's talk about what this update does and when it's rolling out. So previously for purchasing Bitcoin, they've used a thing called spreads. So they kind of have to go to the Bitcoin supplier, and then there's like an inconsistent spread so that someone in the process is able to make money essentially. So let's say you purchase Bitcoin, current price is 50,000. You might be purchasing at 50,600 or 50,400 or 50,900, just depended because the spread was kind of inconsistent. So they said, we don't want to do the spread anymore. We want to be consistent. We want to be transparent. And they're introducing tiered fees. So if you purchase less than $250 a month, which is where I would be at for this experiment, I'll be paying a 0.99% fee, about a 1% fee on each purchase, which is much better than the spread that I was getting before. So this is good news. And if you purchase more quantity of Bitcoin, you're going to get a lower fee here. And I believe these fees are lower than any other platform. So some important questions: is this live or when rollout? Actively rolling out over the next week. So basically by the end of the week, it should be ready for everyone. And Jack Mallers, who's the founder of Strike, also posted a thread with an 18-minute presentation here if you want to check that out. And it'll give you some more in-depth info about the spread and things like that. But basically they're improving it and making it much more easy to understand. And a lot of people from other countries are still asking about Strike. Still can't join from Europe. Jack says soon we launch a new region next week, and then we'll launch Europe after that. So maybe within a month or so they should have Europe. And you can read through these: new limit system coming. Someone asked about Italy, so Europe will be soon. And we have the CEO in here answering questions on Twitter, so it doesn't get much better or more transparent than this from any company out there. So love to see it. So yeah, there's the update from Strike. Fees are lower, more consistent, so love everything that I'm seeing here. Hope you guys enjoyed this little update. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.